Hey friends, today we're going to practice a little bit about geometry. We're going to do our review for this week. So we're going to continue learning a little bit more about polygons. And so remember, a polygon is a closed figure and it has to have 3 or more straight sides, and the figures below are polygons because their sides are all straight and they are closed figures. So a 3-sided polygon is a triangle. A 4-sided polygon is a quadrilateral. A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 angles. A hexagon, remember, 6 has the X, just like hex has the X. So hexagon has 6 sides, and then an octagon has 8 sides. And remember, a circle is not a polygon. It is a closed figure, but it does not have straight sides. So let's take a look at these shapes. Which of the shapes below are polygons? So let's organize them into polygons and not polygons. We're going to make a little chart. So let me get my pen up and going. So if it has straight sides, it would be a polygon. So here's this one. I'm going to try my best to draw it. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a polygon. The one next to it, that oval, is not a polygon. The triangle is a polygon. The heart is not a polygon. And then we have this octagon. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. And then the pentagon, that is also a 5-sided polygon. Then we have a quadrilateral, which happens to be a parallelogram as well. And then finally, this funky shape up here, which has that curved line, almost like a backwards D, is not a polygon. So you can see that these ones over here, friends, are polygons. And these ones over here are not polygons because they, even though they're closed, they don't all have straight lines. So this shape can be described as a polygon, a quadrilateral, and a rectangle. So it is a polygon because it is a closed shape. It's a quadrilateral because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and it's a rectangle because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 perfect square corners. So let's draw a shape that is a polygon and a quadrilateral, but it's not a rectangle. What could that be? How about it could be something like this, where we have 1 pair of parallel lines, but the sides are not square and they're not parallel. So this, my friends, is a trapezoid, okay? So that is a polygon. It has 4 sides. It's a closed figure, but it is not a rectangle because it doesn't have those square corners and it doesn't have 2 sets of parallel lines. So remember that a quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides and 4 angles. And angles are the space where the 2 sides meet. So what's special about the rectangle is that it has 2 pairs of opposite sides that are parallel. So the top and bottom are parallel, and the left and right are parallel. And it has special 4 straight corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now the square has all the sides that are equal in the same length, and they also have 2 sets of parallel lines where the top and bottom, left and right, are parallel, and it has those 4 square corners. And a rhombus is just like a square where it has the sides that are all the same length, but it does not have to have those square corners to be a rhombus. But it does have 2 pairs of opposite sides that are parallel. So the top and bottom are parallel, and the left and right side are parallel. So let's review these polygons one more time. Triangles have 3, good. Quadrilaterals, think of quads, have 4. Pentagons have 5 sides. Hexagons have that X in it, like 6, it has 6 sides. Heptagons, 7. Octagons have 8. Nonagons have 9 sides, and decagons have 10 sides and 10 angles. So we're going to practice this a little bit tonight for homework. Do your very best, and we'll continue reviewing this a little bit more tomorrow in class as well. Here is also a list of what the regular polygons look like, and here are some irregular, like funky looking ones too. So have fun with the shapes tonight, guys, and we'll continue practicing again tomorrow. Thanks for being awesome.